If you ever wake up and not feeling the day, feeling low energy, uninspired, unmotivated, feeling kind of low, a bit stressed out, this is what I do when I feel that way. Today I woke up and not feeling that vibe, that energy. I'm not feeling motivated. I'm not feeling inspired as much as I want it to be. So the first thing I do is I walk into my studio, and the secret for me bringing myself back and getting myself back into this energy and work, because I'm in the workstation, I can't help it but to put in some work, is that I have some tools, and I want to show you what I do when I'm feeling uninspired, when I'm feeling a bit stressed, when I'm feeling low energy. So I have this Canson watercolor paper here, right? It's very thick, Canson, and it's a watercolor base. I also have these colors. It's like oil color crayons, strong, tough, solid, and some pencils and color pencils. I also have some color chalks here as well, and some charcoal. So what I do actually is I scribble my way out. So for example, this is one of the scribbles that I did when I was going through it. Now I'm gonna do another one, as you can see. So I just put my head down and grab any of those colors and just start scribbling. Just scribbling non-stop. What I do is just scribble non-stop. I don't even think about it. I just grab a color and go. Grab any color and just scribble. Just scribble, just scribble. Grab some of the charcoal and just scribble. Because I'm just trying to snap myself out of this feeling that I'm dealing with. So I have all these tools right here that I'm just using. I got yellow, black, green, orange, brown, burgundy, you name it. I have all of that. Charcoal, color pencil. And all I do is just keep scribble my way, and just scribble. I'm not making a judgment between what is beautiful and what is ugly, because whenever you look at art, or whenever you look at a piece of creation, if all you can see is beauty or ugly, then sometimes you can be missing the point. Because the point is not about that. The point is what's on the back of it, is how you perceive it. The point is to whom it may concern. That's what art is about. So what's ugly to you, to whom it may concern, that person sees beauty. And what is beauty to you, to whom it may concern, that person sees ugly. So art is really not about that. When you start to judge art from the ugly point of view or from beauty point of view, sometimes you might be missing the point. And that's what I'm doing here. This is not to make any kind of a judgment. I'm just trying to snap out of it. I woke up not feeling good, and this is something that you can do when you feel a bit stressed out. You don't have to be an artist. You don't have to be someone creative. Anybody can do this. You wake up in the morning, you're not feeling it. Just grab a color pencils, regular pen, some charcoals, any materials that you have in the house, and just scribble your way out. Just scribble your way and snap out of it. Now, I'm going to do again. I keep doing this. If by the time I finish doing like 4 or 5 pages, trust me, I am back. I am back at it, and I'm ready to go to work. Now, that's the power of colors. Color just brings you back. It just helps you reset. It just helps you redeem and bring back your motivation, bring back your inspiration, and get you back to work. Because color is a psychological thing, and color has a power. It has energy, and psychologically, it can transform you from being a stressful person in 5 minutes, and all of a sudden now you're back and you're ready to go. So when I wake up and I'm not feeling it, and my day is kind of like, I had that coffee's not doing it for me. I went downstairs sometimes and go have that black tea and sipping on it and still not getting it. The home remedy that I use is I come to my art station. If you don't have a station in the house, just grab a regular piece of paper and grab a pencil, pen, color pencils, whatever you have in the house, and just, I'm telling you, scribble your way out of it. And this always help you snap out. This is my secret. This is the secret of getting out when you were feeling kind of stress-free, kind of stressed out, or when you're feeling kind of unease, wake up in the morning and the day, you don't like the way the day is going, you're not feeling good inside. This is way to go. Play with some colors. That's what I do. I come to the studio and my workstation and just scribble. And I'm scribble. My blood is flowing. Now I'm getting it. It's coming back. It's slowly coming back. Grab some charcoals and just continue to just scribble. Just scribble. Just scribble. Just scribble your way out of it and snap out of that stress, that weight that's sitting on your shoulder, that weight that's sitting on your chest. Snap out of it by just playing with some colors. Just scribble. We're not looking to create any kind of image. We are not looking to do anything specific. We are just scribbling, just moving them hands. Grab whatever color you can get your hands on. Anything you can get your hands on, just grab it and move your hands. Just get to work. And this is how you get to snap out of it. By the time you work on like 4 or 5 pages, trust me, you'll be reset and you'll be good to go. So if you ever want to get out of your stress energy, you wake up and you're not feeling it, this is my secret. You scribble your way out of it. So it was just something that came in and I was doing it today and I decided to share with y'all. Hopefully y'all like it. Connect with me, subscribe, like, share this video. Share with someone who might wake up and not feeling it. Share with your fellow artist. Share with someone, even if he's not an artist, or even if she or that person is not an artist, anybody can do this and just have fun. And just have fun. That's what. And if I'm looking at it, you see there's an image there. It looks like a springish image. And that's the beauty of ideation in the abstract. When you create and when you look back at it, on the back end, you start to see all these images, all this energy, and now it starts to please your eyes. That's the beauty of art. That's why I love art. I cannot help. And I'm so glad and so happy to have this workstation here and that I can always come here and transform myself whenever I'm feeling down. So that's pretty much, I urge you to do the same thing and ask other people to do it. And share with your friends, share with your other artists to do it too. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also hit the link below and go to my website and support if you want to support me in any way, shape, or form. I'll see you on the next one. Salute. One. Peace.